Until August 23rd, Woody Woodpecker is going to be off air forever, and will be replaced by the new block called the Patricius. Until then, it's time for the announcements of Woody Woodpecker. Anyways, enjoy.
We will now bring Sonic 2K6, the CEO of Woody Woodpecker, on Sonic 2K6 for an important announcement.
Hi guys, it's Sonic 2K6 here. Unfortunately, this has been a long show for the past 3 years. And as of today, Woody Woodpecker is going to be our final time. We're shutting down our broadcasting forever. Why, you may ask? Because Woody Woodpecker is no longer capable at the Windows 10, that is going to be removed on October 14th. And that is going to affect Uganda Knuckles too. I really appreciate this support. But however, we will be getting replaced by a brand new block. It's called the Patricios. It will start on August 30th at 9 AM. And that's all we have for now. Once again, thanks for watching Woody Woodpecker web series for the past 3 years. It was an awesome ride, but we must say goodbye. Thank you. Farewell, and see you when we replace our block the Patricios.